Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to balance this given chemical reaction through half reaction method. So the first step is write the oxidation state of each element here. So Mn is +7, sulfur is +4, Mn is already given +2 here, and sulfur here is +6. And in case if you are wondering how am I writing the oxidation state, so in the earlier video or the video for oxidation number method, I have explained the method. You can watch that also. So this was the first step to write the oxidation state. Now in the next step, we have to identify which species is undergoing oxidation and which is undergoing reduction. So clearly sulfur from +4, it is oxidizing and becoming +6, and on the other hand Mn is reducing and it is becoming from +7, it is becoming +2. So in this particular method we have to balance this chemical reaction individually, oxidation half alone and reduction half alone. So let's start with oxidation half. So let's see where oxidation is happening. Oxidation is happening here. SO2 is becoming HSO4 negative. So the first step in this particular case is to balance the particular atom which is oxidizing. Okay, if it is not balanced, so in this particular case sulfur is 1 on the reactant side and sulfur is 1 on the product side, so there is no need to balance this. Now the second thing is that we have to balance oxygen on both sides. In this case we have 2 oxygen, and in this case we have on the product side we have 4 oxygen. So there is 2 oxygen less. So to balance oxygen we will add water molecule. So for balancing 2 oxygen we are going to add 2 water molecules. Okay, and by the way, I am doing this reaction in acidic medium. Now to balance hydrogen we need to use H positive ions. So calculate hydrogen on both sides. On the reactant side we have 4 hydrogen, and on the product side we have only 1 hydrogen. So 3 hydrogen is less on the product side. So let's add 3 H positive. Now we have 4 hydrogen on the product and 4 hydrogen on the reactant side. Now we have to balance this charge also. So on the product side the overall charge is +2 because 1 negative and 3 positive. So overall is +2, and on the reactant side it is 0. To make them same, half reaction method we add 2 electrons here, because these 2 electrons is going to cancel out the positive. So the product will become 0 and the reactant is already 0. So this is the way to balance oxidation half. Now let's write reduction half. So let's see reduction half. So in reduction half, we have MnO4 negative is reducing to Mn2 positive. So clearly the first step is to balance the Mn is already balanced, so no need to do anything. Now let's balance oxygen here. There are 4 oxygen on the reactant side and there is no oxygen on the reactant side, so we are going to add 4 water molecule. As the reaction is occurring in the acidic medium, to balance the hydrogen we are going to use H positive ions. So I'm going to write 8 H positive ions. Okay, now let's balance the charge, overall charge. On the reactant it is +7, 8 positive and 1 negative, or +7, and on the product side we have +2. So if I add 5 electrons on the reactant side, then this will become +2, and this is already +2, so charge is also balanced. So this is one step, this is one of the step in. Now we got oxidation half and reduction half. Now the next step is we have to add these two equations to get our answer. So here we have 2 electrons, here we have 5 electrons, so we need to find a number from which I am going to multiply this entire equation and a number through which I am going to multiply this entire equation to make the electrons same. Here it is written 2 electrons, here it is written 5 electrons. So if I multiply this entire equation by 5, I will get 10 electrons. If I multiply the reduction of entirely by 2, then I will get 10 electrons, and these two will get cancelled out. Okay, so let's write this and add these two also. So currently I am writing the oxidation half. If I am multiplying by 5, so I will get 5SO2. I have to refer 5SO2 plus 10H2O gives 5HSO4 negative and 15H positive and 10 electrons. Okay, this I will get after the multiplication. Now I have to multiply the reduction half by 2. So let's multiply this by 2. So I will get 2MnO4 negative, 8 into 2 16, H positive, 10 electrons, and it will give 2Mn positive and 8 H2O. Okay, now I have to add these two equations. So let's add these two equations carefully because it will be a cumbersome process, addition. So if I'm adding these two equations, one thing absolutely clear, that these 10 electrons will get cancelled out with these 10 electrons. This 8H2O is going to make this 10H2O as 2H2O, that is for sure. This 15H positive is going to make this as 1H positive. So everything is looking fine. So let's write this: 5SO2 plus 2MnO4 negative plus 2H2O plus H positive. So the reactant sides have been written on the reactant side, and on the product side we have 5H negative plus 2Mn positive, and nothing is on the product side. Now let's calculate charge on both sides. On the reactant sides you have 2 negative and H positive, so overall -1, and on the product side you have 5 negative and so -1. So charge is balanced, and hydrogen, oxygen, everything is absolutely balanced. Okay, so this is the way to balance half reaction method. Okay, and I have made another video on oxidation half method. So I hope you liked both the videos, and if you like to appreciate the effort, you can subscribe to the channel and you can like this video and share with your contacts. Okay, so till bye and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.